Hi friends, myself Rekha Pandya and I am going to share details about will in two parts. In this first part, I explain you why you should make a will as soon as possible. Once you will write your will, then your will shall tell everyone what you have decided to deal with your money, possessions and properties after you die. Let's call all these things your estate. If you don't leave a will, the law decides how your estate is passed on, and this might not be in line with your wishes. It's easy to make a will, and it will save your family unnecessary distress at an already difficult time. A will makes it much easier for your family or friends to sort everything out when you die. Without a will, the process can be more time consuming and stressful. If you don't write a will, everything you own will be shared out in a standard way defined by the law, which isn't always the way you might want. A will can help reduce the amount of inheritance tax that might be payable on the value of the property and money you leave behind. Writing a will is especially important if you have children or other family who depend on you financially, or if you want to leave something to people outside your immediate family. Your will tells people two very important things. First, who should have your money, property and possessions when you die, and second, who will be in charge of organizing your estate and following the instructions you leave in your will. This person is called your executor, and you can name more than one person if you want to. You can also use your will to tell people about your any other wishes you have, like instruction for cremation. Your executor will do their best to make sure your wishes are followed as long as they don't involve breaking the law. It might not always be possible for your executor to carry out your instructions. For example, a person you want to leave something to might die before you do. But if you have a will, there's a better chance of things happening the way you want. Make sure your will is legally valid. Your will doesn't have to be on special paper or use a lots of legal language. A document is a valid will as long as it says how your estate should be shared out when you die. Second, it was made when you were able to make your own decisions and you weren't put under pressure about who to leave things to. Third, it is signed and dated by you in presence of two adult independent witnesses and then signed by the two witnesses in your presence. The most important thing that the witnesses can't be people who are going to inherit anything from you or their husband, wife or civil partner. Now let's discuss how to start making a will. If your family is small and you want to leave everything to them, making your will is fairly straightforward. If your situation is more complicated, for example, you have a second family or you want to leave money and gifts to lots of people, you will need to plan more carefully. Either way, don't put it off. Make sure that what you leave behind will go to the people you intend. Make a plan. Start by thinking about what you want to leave to whom and then talk to your family. They might have some suggestions you haven't thought of. Once you have a plan, look at the different options for making a will. That's all friends for first part. Meet you soon with second part. Thank you.